In 2020, the no-no virus disturbed life as we know it. The early days of the virus were a time when dreams were scarce. Most humans blame this on stress or poor sleep. The true story of why dreams stopped and how they came to begin again involves thousands of dream workers renovating their industry practically overnight. All over Fantastica, the heart of global dream production, dreamworkers had a choice to make: give up on the production of dreams or figure out how to keep them flowing. One of the first teams to respond was the Dreamswork company, a small team of scrappy visionaries whose story has gone untold until now. Gnome, how are you?
I can see you, but I can't hear you. Did you lose your voice?
Can you hear me now?
I can't hear you in this thing either.
Can you hear me now?
Oh yes, loud and clear. It's like you're in my foot.
Oh, good, John's here. Hi, John.
I am unable to hear you. Give me a moment.
I can see you, but I can't hear you too. Did you lose your voice?
Give me a second. Can you hear me now?
I hear you.
Loud and clear. It's like you're both in my foot.
If we don't want to spend the rest of this meeting on our feet, we're going to need to do a little modification to our equipment. You want to start by taking the snake for a walk around the tree, then loop it through the fisheye, tuck it back under its own biscuit with a wedgie clamp. After that, give the mushroom a good howdy doody, and that should do it.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Well, that problem has been defeated.
Totally. Okay, today we'll be meeting with the department heads about how to move forward with the dream production. They're supposed to be letting us know the plan for how they're going to get their work done with the new no-no rules in place.
Someone needs to catch that terrible no-no virus. Put it away. Good.
Well, technically, we want to prevent people from catching it, Gnomester. That's why the no-no rules are here.
I know what you mean.
Well, until then, we've got to do what we can to get dreams flowing again. They're essential, you know?
I wholeheartedly concur with your assessment.
Wow, everyone's in the waiting room. I'm gonna let them in. Greetings, fellow dream workers. I don't see any of the delivery team except for Handcrab. Oh well, hopefully they'll be here soon. Welcome, everyone. We are eager to hear how you are doing with the new safety measures and getting dream production started back up.
Where are we with the raw materials? You can't make a dream without dream ingredients.
Or love.
Well, we've got plenty of love, but dream ingredients are another story. How are things going for the gatherers?
Dream ingredients are in short supply because humans are sleeping more. They are scarce and hard to find.
One silver lining is that now all the people are in hiding, so it's easy to harvest ingredients without being seen.
But what's the point if there are no dream ingredients to find?
You guys just aren't looking hard enough. Are you guys even looking at all?
There are always plenty of dream ingredients to find underwater. Just ask the fish.
Did you know that the ocean is 80% fish pee and poo? you are 100% more likely to get attacked by an octopus in the ocean than in a pool.
Do I look like I can swim?
Okay, everyone. Did you get the PDPs we sent?
You mean the protective dream pouches?
Oh, good, hand crab. It fits you just right.
My PDP is uncomfortable, inconvenient, and unfashionable. Sure, it keeps us safe, but at what cost?
They are meant to protect us, not to be convenient or comfortable.
Easy for you to say you have water powers.
Okay, you two. We're all doing the best with what we have.
It sounds like we have a plan for procuring the raw materials. I'd be interested to hear from the imbuing and transformation department about that process.
Wouldn't it make more sense to hear from the imbuing and dream department?
I agree with you both. Unicorn, how exactly are we sanitizing dream ingredients?
I'm too parched. I ate too many glitter cookies.
Here, I have some water.
Oh, thank you. Much better. We've added in steps to our transformation process to make sure we're keeping everyone safe. Step 1, make sure your surfaces are all clean for transformation.
The second step is to sanitize your ingredients when they arrive. I personally use my water powers to clean as I transform and weave the dreams.
And I've been working on step 3, packaging. We no longer use recycled packaging materials due to potential contamination. So there have been a few added costs to our department's spending.
Do we need those tiny face papers for the orbs?
No, the PDPs make sure the dream gets to the dreamer uncontaminated.
It's great to hear you and your team will be able to keep the dreams coming, Chad.
Living the dream, Brad. Miss you, brother.
I miss you too, buddy. Oh, it looks like the delivery team made it after all.
So sorry we're late. We had to work out a delivery.
During this time, it's just so hard to keep delivering our dreams.
More and more people are missing out on the best part of their sleep because we just can't get their dreams out to them.
Any ideas for a solution?
We could use rockets?
No. That's much too dangerous.
And too expensive.
We could try Uber to deliver them.
Again, over budget.
Also, that is not possible. Uber won't deliver stuff under a pillow. Or stuff at all. They're simple people.
We could wear masks or globes.
Perfect.
It seems that we have found a solution.
Great job, delivery team. Well, everyone, we have a big job and a big responsibility, but I know we can all do it. Remember, the first priority is keeping everyone safe. If you have to let a dream go for a little while, let it go. Everything will figure itself out.
When in doubt, light a candle, sit in a bath, and eat pasta all day. They all do the same thing.
Wait 30 minutes after eating before swimming.
When our ancestors lit the dream beacon and gave humans the first dreams, they never imagined the world we live in now. But the beacon still burns in each of us, even the ones that live underwater. Keep yourself safe, do your best, and remember our motto.
Teamwork because dreams work.
Exactly. And I can't imagine a better team than all of us. Let's go make some dreams.
Where are you going? Why is everyone disappearing? Where are you going? Are you on my boat again? Hello? Where is everybody?
And so the team set out. First, the gatherers, locating and harvesting dream ingredients, the raw elements that dreams are made from. Once the dream ingredients are safely delivered to the transforming team, they get to work forming the ingredients into classic spherical shapes known as a dream globe. The dream globes are ready. It's time for the delivery team to place each dream where the intended dreamer will sleep. It is a delicate process requiring stealth and finesse. Although it is impossible to show you the Dreamswork team was kind enough to share some reenactments of dreams delivered in the early days. And so dreaming returned to the people, and the dreams were all sizes and colors. Most people remain unaware of the tireless behind-the-scenes work that goes on into entertaining night sleep. But dream workers know, and we know too, the dreams work because the teams work.
Have you just been
Wait.
Elmer's gluing it to your face, Penny?
Yeah, it's a law.
Ah,
Can we restart the recording?